Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shikha Sambarkar and today our topic is Computer Network Part 16. Under this there is a subtopic Network Devices Part 5 and under this today we will discuss about router. Yes, this is our topic today, router. This video is helpful for class 12th CBSE students, those who have opted computer science and informatics practices as an optional subject, and some other students also can watch the video, those who are interested in this computer network field. So let's start our topic, router. Here you can see some images are given. These are the images of router. There are so many kinds of images you can see here. So this router, it's a network device. It is a network device and you can see these images here. I included this images so you can identify how it look like. So you can see here some images are given. So this router is used in LAN, WAN, MAN. Means we can use it in local area network or metropolitan area network or wide area network. We will discuss this type of networks in our next video. Here I want to say one thing, that this network device, this router, it's a network layer device. It works at network layer. You can see there are some images, two images are here. Left side image, that last one layer is physical layer, second one layer is data link layer, third one layer is network layer. So at this level these routers work. So this right side again, right side, this layer, this 7 layers, I have told you about this OSI in my previous video. Again I want to explain this here, that this OSI means we can say it's just a reference model or a structure that describes how information from a software application in one computer moves through a physical medium to the software application in another computer. Simply we can say that information is moving from one computer to another computer through a medium, through a physical medium. So this OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. Open System Interconnection, and it consists of 7 layers and each layer performs a particular network function. So here right side one image is given. You can see there are two PCs in the upper side of the image. You can see there are two PCs. First one PC is used to send the message and the second one PC is used to receive the message. It is written there that data sent, upper side you can see, and data received. In the right side image you can see these two PCs, and at the bottom of this right side image you can see physical link or medium. So this concept is here, this structure is here, which shows OSI, Open System Interconnection. So here router, we are talking about routers in this video. Routers means this is a network device, and it is a network layer. We can say third layer. Third layer. It works at layer 3. So that's why I have included these images, this concept OSI here, so that you can understand routers work at network layer. Now there are some points related to router. First one is, a router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. It's a network device that forwards data packets. Data packets, we can say information, message between computer networks. Information or message in the form of packets. Packets means it's a piece of message. So here a router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. Second point, routers perform the traffic directing functions on the internet. Routers perform the traffic directing functions on the internet. Data sent through the internet, such as web page or email, is in the form of data packets. Third point, a packet is typically forwarded from one router to another router through the networks. A packet is typically forwarded from one router to another router through the networks that constitute an internetwork. Internetwork, for example, the internet, until it reaches its destination node. Next point, a router is a device that communicates between the internet and the devices. Router, it's a device that communicates between the internet and the devices. We will see one picture after this slide related to this. This router about this concept, or that a router is a device that communicates between the internet and the devices in our home or office that connect to the internet. And here last point is, actually router creates a network. Actually router creates a network between the computers in our office or home, while modem connects that network and thus the computers on it to the internet. Here one point is given that router creates a network and modem connects that network. So this is the difference. You can watch my previous video. There I have included the topic modem, and you can watch that video. You can clear your concept. It's about this modem, router and modem. Router creates a network and modem connects that network. This is the difference here. Here again you can see two images. At the left side image you can see this is also showing the same concept as we have seen in the last slide, last images. This here router is used to communicate between internet and the devices, and right side you can see in between the devices one wireless router is there. One wireless router is there and it is connecting the devices. So here you can see these two images, how the router is working with the devices. Now there are some more points related to router. As we know that it's a networking device, and here some points are given. Generally we know that it's a network device, and it is a network layer layer or layer 3 device, as we have seen in that second slide in OSI model slide. And here for data transmission, packets are used. Packets are used for data transmission, and generally it is 2 or 4 or 5 or 8 port device, and it is used in LAN, WAN, MAN, and here for data transmission IP addresses are used. So this is the router. Now some more points. First point is here, a router is a network device that is used to separate different segments in a network to improve performance and reliability. A router works like a bridge but can handle different products. For example, a router can link Ethernet to a mainframe. Second point, if the destination is unknown to a router, it sends the traffic to another router which knows the destination. Here, if the destination is unknown, if the destination address is unknown, destination PC's source whatever is unknown to a router, Then it sends the traffic to another router which knows the destination. Third point here, a router differs from a bridge in a way that former uses logical addresses and the latter uses physical addresses. Next point, compared to hubs and switches, routers are smarter still. Routers use a more complete packet address to determine which router or workstation should receive each packet next. And last point, based on a network roadmap called a routing table, routers can help ensure that packets are traveling the most efficient paths to their destination. Routers can help ensure that packets are traveling the most efficient paths to their destination. If a link between two routers fails, the sending router can determine an alternate route to keep traffic moving. So these are the points related to router. Router, it's a network device. It's a network layer or a layer 3. Layer 3 device. It works at layer 3 in OSI model, and it uses IP addresses, and as we have, it's a very smarter, or we can say intelligent device. It is used in LAN, WAN, MAN, and for data transmission, it uses packets in the form of packets. Data is transmitted here. So these are the concepts here. Here you can see network devices, what we have discussed in our previous videos: hub, gateway, router, repeater, bridge, switch. These are the devices, network devices. Hub works at physical layer. We have seen this concept in previous video. Gateway works at network layer. Router, it is also a network layer. So repeater, it is a physical layer, and this switch, it's a data link layer. Bridge is also in works at a data link layer in OSI model. So these all we have covered all these devices under the topic network devices in our previous videos. So you can watch all that videos of related to network device. So I hope this video is helpful for you all. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel presented by Shikha Sambarkar. Thank you.